Hey everyone, it's Megan with Crafty Planner Lover here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the week of Valentine's Day, February 13th through the 19th in my social media planner using the Planning with Designs kit. This is the Sweet Love kit that I got when I was on a PR for her. This beautiful, amazing kit, and then this was some stickers from one of the PR girls. This was her freebie. It is called Megan's Kitten Cuties. I absolutely love it. I think the colors go really, really well with the items in the kit, so that is what we're using for this week's spread. This cover is also from Planning with Designs. If you guys are interested in getting your own, you can get this on her website. At the current time of me filming, the only things that she has up on her website are covers and bookmarks and page finders. So if you guys are interested in getting those, they are on sale. I will leave all of that in the description box below. She is closing up her shop for a little bit, so if you guys want to get yourself some cute planner covers, I highly recommend her shop. They're super cheap, super great quality, and beautiful. So we're going to go ahead and jump in. You guys know how much I love using her kits. This was last week's spread using her movie date kit. Beautiful spread. I'm having a lot of fun using this layout. So we are going to go ahead and jump into the spread. Alright, so I think we're probably just going to leave the spine as it is for now and go ahead and start with the kit. Before I get started, this layout is from Bosch Chic Planners. She has planners, stickers, inserts, lots of fun layouts, and a lot of really awesome stuff. I was on a PR for her, but this was items that I received in my PR, so if you guys are interested in looking at her items, then I will leave her website linked in the description box as well. But we're going to go ahead and start with our normal layout, and I think I'm just going to go with the layout I've been using because it has been working really, really well for me recently, and I'm really liking how I've been setting up the spreads so far using her kits because they're just really, they're great. They're great to use, and I'm obsessed. So we are going to lay down, carefully lay down this longer sticker here, just like that. And this is for my Instagram pods that I'm on. I use that to just kind of track what I do in those pods because it does sometimes get a little overwhelming, so I like to be able to write down what I'm doing. Okay, let's start with the purple box and the red box because we have the other color here already. Okay, I'm gonna start there, and then this one here. Perfect. Lovely. And then we're going to come over here on this side, and we're going to do some layering. Alrighty. Actually, I want to pause for a second before I put these on, and I want to add the kitten looking out the window because I think that he is so cute and it will be perfect on the spread. It like takes up the entire box. That was exactly what I wanted it to do. Lovely. Okay, so now we will go ahead and white out this little area, and I think that we need a little more. Alrighty, so we're gonna, where are my tweezers? I always lose them. There we go. Try not to get white out all over my fingers. That would be a good thing to not do. And then lay this one here. we go. That's perfect. I like that. It's a little crooked, but we're gonna ignore that. Okay, we need to add another kitty. I'm thinking of doing, let's do this little guy staring up at the snow right there. And we're gonna add some more deco. I think I'm gonna do this. Hearts here to kind of cover up the fact that, oh, well, I was gonna say to cover up the fact that the box is crooked, but then I went and put this box down crooked too. There we go. That kind of covers it up. Not too well, but a little bit. And I think I'm also going to, I'll add these on in a minute, but we're gonna move over to this side first because there is some things that I need to put down on this spread. Yes. So this box here is where I track the items that I have to post for Simply Sweetly Crafty because I'm on her PR. And I use this to kind of notate when I post so that I can see, you know, how often I'm posting, things like that. All the boring stuff. So I should probably add the dates down. That would probably be smart. Don't think I have any more dates though. I think we are going to do this box. Oh, I put it down crooked again. Did you guys see that? Did you expect me to? Because I sure didn't. I don't think it's going to come up. All right. Let's try this again. If it's crooked this time, we're just going to leave it. Okay, it's not. It probably still is, but it's fine. And I also want to do a red box. We're gonna change things up and put it in this corner for $2 Tuesday. And then we have new releases on Friday, and I'm also going to use another red box. And Fridays are also $1 Fridays, so I need to remember that. And I think I am going to be weird and do another box down here on a Saturday. Not that adding a box on Saturday is weird, but I don't really need to do this. It just adds to the fun. I'm gonna use this last purple box on here. I'm just putting these boxes down so crooked. There we go. Oh, wow. There we go. Alrighty, so now I think we're good to add some deco and most likely washi tape. You guys know how I am. I always have to add washi, so we will see after I add the deco if I feel like it needs washi. I am thinking I'm probably going to have to cover this up because it doesn't match, and I think I do have a washi tape that will work with this, but we'll see after I add the deco. spread and my social media planner. I hope you guys got some inspiration on how to decorate the dashboard planner. I've been seeing a lot of posts on Instagram saying how people are very confused on how to decorate this spread. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I plan in this layout, go ahead and check out the description box or in the cards. I will have my social media dashboard playlist linked so you guys can check out more videos on me decorating this spread if that's something that you have a hard time dealing with, or if you just want to see how I decorate my spreads. Along with that playlist, I will also have my other playlist for planner related content linked down in the description box below, as well as crafting content if you guys are interested in checking out any of those. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I truly hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys!